Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today I am sharing with you in this video most beautiful and stylish, you will see stylish girls nail art ideas. Today you will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail cutting ideas in 2023. Today viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today you will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art ideas. I have uploaded plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see unique beautiful girls nail polish designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media account. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish, unique girls nail polish designs. So viewers, please visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of modern nail art ideas with fingering designs. I have uploaded summer season's nail art, winter season's nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very unique different girls nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos and you like this one unique nail polish designs, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. Today I am sharing with you in this videos very attractive and very stylish unique girls nail polish designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your modern nail art ideas. So lovely viewers, I hope you like my videos friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Today we will see very attractive and